Hi friends, today I'm going to share my steamed pudding recipe with you. Steamed pudding is a traditional British dessert and somehow it made its way into my Montana family and has been our traditional Christmas dessert for generations. Unlike pudding like we think of as Americans, steamed pudding is more like a sponge cake that's very moist. This recipe is a dark cake with molasses and raisins and all the delicious flavors of Christmas like cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. It can all be mixed up in one large bowl, and the final addition is flour, and you just add enough flour to make a really stiff dough. For the first time ever, I tried making it in a bundt cake pan instead of tin cans that I normally steam it in. I put it in a greased bundt pan, and then it needs to be covered really well. So I used the method my mom taught me to cover it with 4 layers of wax paper that have been folded. I taped it on with masking tape, and then I added 2 layers of aluminum foil on top of that. It can be tied all together with a kitchen string, or I used a rubber band, which works great. Then I put it in a large pot of water that was boiling, that was about halfway up the bundt cake pan, and steamed it for 2.5 hours until a cake tester put in the center was done. It turned out onto a cooling rack, and then for the pictures I piped on hard sauce, which is made with brown sugar and butter, and then it will be served hot and the brown sugar sauce will melt. It's absolutely delicious. Get all the details of the recipe on the blog. Find details in the caption below. Merry Christmas!